What's up guys, I hope you all are doing awesome, and today I'm going to show you guys how I defeat this wolf boss. Firstly, you're gonna have to come here in this location. I have marked this in the map, and you just have to go in the center of this platform. You'll eventually see a blue light and just go near and press commence trial. This will start your battle with the wolf. Don't take this wolf boss lightly because he has many magic tricks up his sleeves. Now you might wonder that it's gonna be hard to defeat this boss, but it's really easy, and let me show you how. I'm going to use these two characters for this fight because it's too easy to dodge every single attack with these characters, and people who doesn't have these characters can also defeat this boss easily. And the trick is very simple. You just have to stay behind the wolf's back and keep attacking it. As you can see, most of wolf's magic powers can't reach me, and you can also see why I'm using this character. And once the wolf loses 50% of its health, it starts running in a big circle. This helps the wolf to charge and launch its attack. Here you just have to dodge all of wolf's attacks by double dashing right before the wolf is about to hit your character, and then makes a powerful jump attack after doing its previous running attack. Now you can see why I'm using this character in this fight. When the wolf switches to its awakening form, this character helps us dodge all of wolf's attacks by letting us use its abilities. As you can see, in this form the wolf uses a lot of its magic attacks. So let me tell you how to finally defeat this boss using these two characters. First, you're gonna have to use this character to damage the wolf as much as you can, and when you get a cooldown, you just gonna have to switch to this character and use its shield ability and start attacking the wolf. This shield ability not only protects you from wolf's attacks but also heals your other characters. You will have to keep going on with this process until you defeat the boss. And that right there, how you defeat this boss with these two characters. It's that easy. The white-haired character called Noel is a tank, guys. You can keep using her in any fights for defense and to regain health. That's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you do, just leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.